Alright, so here's the moment of truth. We've swapped plugs and seen the misfires move. So what I'm going to do, what I've done, is I've put a known good plug in there, and I'm accelerating now, wide open, and as you can see, the misfire counts. Alright, so we're going to call that a fix. I will say this, I did not compare the plug that I put in, the one that's supposed to go in here, with what the customer put in. The customer put in an NGK ZF, what is this? ZF R6 FGP. And so we'll see if that's supposed to go in here and do a recap next.